Hi everyone, this is Penguin Trades. We're looking here at the NQ. So we have this uptrend going, and this measured move right here was nearly met. We pushed lower, made another attempt to reach it, ended up just making this double top, and then we had these two pushes down. You can see that was a two-legged break from this downtrend, or I mean this uptrend. And what I'm looking to do here is I almost let that slip by me from explaining. And basically, we're looking to get along with this uptrend here. I didn't want to buy directly on the measured move because I wanted it to close back above this range here. So we have this clear two-legged move down. After the two-legged break of this uptrend, we had the two attempts at a new high. And then this is basically the failure. And so price is making a reversal attempt. And going long here for me was dependent on if price can hold on this level here and continue making higher lows. And so that is what we're getting in on here. About halfway through, I'm going to go ahead and cut my mic here and just let you all enjoy this trade. Alright, and we are out of that. That was a very quick trade. So yeah, overall you can see here, just to explain more of the price action, just so everyone can see what's going on. This two-legged move down, on a bigger picture it is one leg, and so when price made this two-legged move down here, I'm just going to unclutter this a bit, it was attempting to make a second larger leg down. And so you just have to see the price action getting bigger picture in real time, and so I'm kind of just going to explain that here. So initially you can see here this is an uptrend, it has a break, two pushes up to a new high before making a reversal attempt. Now you can see that these legs form one channel on a bigger picture, therefore it's one leg on a bigger picture. Now this is a reversal attempt from the smaller uptrend playing out, but what it really is on a bigger picture is just a break. So it's just a break of this larger channel. And after we get these two pushes down here, we start pushing higher. And so initially when this uptrend gets a break, this is the first attempt at a new high. But since price ended up pushing lower than this swing here, it just becomes a two-legged break. And so then we have the two-legged break, and then we get this first attempt at a new high, then a break from that, second attempt. And so we have our two attempts at a new high, and then this is the failure. So it fails to make a new high, holding off that support right there. We push on lower, and then you can see from this high we have a two-legged move down with a hold above this support that's forming. And so this is a reversal failure that we were getting in on in order to make a bigger picture leg at a new high. And so you can see here, I'm going to remove this clutter just real quick. And so after this two-legged break, you can see we have our first attempt at a new high on a bigger picture, and this is the start of the second. So initially these were the attempts at a new high, failed to reverse, and that reversal failure is giving us these bigger picture legs. And so if price pushes out of this channel right here, or excuse me, this range right here, we can get a couple legs down and look to get long on a retest of these highs in order to reach this measured move. And yeah, so I just wanted to explain what I'm looking at here and just make sure everyone understands. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this explanation, hope it helped out, and I appreciate you watching, and I'll see y'all next time.